Okay, we are going to give a statement. Just keep quiet. You can allow us to speak. This.
Guys, keep quiet. अरे तुम माइक क्यों नीचे कर रहे?
This meeting with the Honorable Minister was to discuss whatever has happened to Sarita Devi. Being a fellow sports person, I fully understand what she must have felt. It must have been a difficult moment for her, and she has also apologized to AIBA, and the discussion basically was to how we could move forward and make a request to AIBA and be slightly lenient on her. Each personality responds differently to situations, and we just want the entire nation to be with Sarita Devi so that her career doesn't get jeopardized, and finding the right solution. So that was a meeting, and Honorable Minister has shown a lot of support along with the Indian Boxing Federation. So hopefully we should be able to move forward in the right direction. Thank you.
We, the people of India, are very much behind Sarita Devi. That's why today we have discussed the matter with all the leading spokesperson of the country, celebrity like Sachin Tendulkar and others. Everybody has expressed their serious concern about the matter. We are very much behind Sarita Devi. On behalf of the Government of India, we are going to take up the matter with AIBA for her.
सर सचिन तेंदुलकर
सरिता देवी के लिए आज हम लोगों ने चर्चा किया और हम लोगों ने यही फैसला किया कि हम AIBA से फिर से दरख्वास्त करेंगे कि सरिता देवी को इस विषय पर सहयोग किया जाए। और सरिता देवी देश का बहुत बड़ा खिलाड़ी है। बहुत मेहनत करके उन्होंने आज जो देश के लिए नाम कमाया है, देश का नाम रोशन किया है, इसके लिए देशवासी हमेशा आभारी है, रहेंगे और हम सरिता देवी का साथ है और रहूंगा।
All right, that was Sachin Tendulkar meeting with the sports minister, taking up Sarita Devi's cause. In fact, we have her husband, Mr. Singh, joining us on the phone. And Mr. Toiba Singh, thank you so much for speaking with Headlines today. How do you feel that a legend, a cricketer like Sachin Tendulkar has taken up the case for you as well as your wife?
It's a good news for not only for Sarita, but also for the entire Indian boxing contingent, boxing fraternity. That one of their the great players, coaches, supporting from all directions, including the great Sachin Tendulkar. It's good that he has been fighting for India for more than 14 long years. He has been winning medals for the country, and at this crucial juncture, all the stakeholders are coming and trying their best to revoke the ban. It's really good.
And what do you make of that show cause notice? I'm not sure if you've got that show cause notice yet, but you were supposed to for your so-called unauthorized presence by the ringside at the Asian Games. Have you got that show cause notice?
I'm yet to receive it, but right now what I can tell you people is that I was there as a supporter of the boxing team, not only for my wife.
Yes.
And
but do you feel let down by the system, sir?
And I will tell them that I was there to support the Indian boxing contingent, not only my wife Sarita Devi.
Also, how has Sarita reacted to the news of Sachin Tendulkar standing by her?
Yeah, she is very happy. She feels relief that well, no, the greatest icon, the greatest, sports person of this country is supporting her, is fully behind her. And she is hoping and praying that, her suspension, her ban we revoke as soon as possible and, get her chance to get back to the ring and do her best for the country.
But do you think the sports ministry would have intervened, would have stood by Sarita had it not been for Sachin Tendulkar's intervention himself?
Yeah, so, they also, sports ministry, all the stakeholders, IOA, Boxing India, they have been trying really hard to review the decision as well as revoke the suspension, the ban being imposed on Sarita. We are really satisfied with their work and all. What we can tell you people right now is that we are hoping and we are praying to the Almighty God that her ban be revoked as soon as possible and get Sarita back to the ring.
Also, Mr. Singh, you have the sports minister who's now come out and said that yes, we do stand by Sarita Devi. Do you think this is some kind of relief for you as well as your wife? Do you see some hope in the near future now that you have this official comment coming in from the sports ministry?
Absolutely, absolutely. We're happy. We're hoping, and if she gets chance to represent country again, she will do her best and probably win a gold medal for the country in the upcoming Olympics in 2016.
Mr. Singh, Sarita Devi also faces the prospect of a life ban from AIBA. What is her mental state these days?
As I said to you earlier, that she is hoping and praying that all the stakeholders come together and do their best to get her back to the boxing ring again and do her best for the country.
Has Boxing India been in touch with you as well as your wife?
Yeah.
And what is their stand? Are they trying to help you out, or do they feel very tied with the AIBA coming out and saying that there is a prospective ban?
Boxing India officers are also doing their best to review the IBA's decision to ban Sarita and revoke the ban and get Sarita back to the ring.
Mr. Singh, if you can stay with us for another minute, I just want to replay Sachin Tendulkar's reaction and then I'm going to come back to you.
Silent, please. All right. Okay, we are going to keep quiet.
अरे तुम माइक क्यों नीचे कर रहे?
The Honorable Minister was to discuss being a fellow sports person. I fully understand what she must have felt. It must have been a difficult moment for her, and she has also apologized to AIBA. And the discussion basically was to how we could move forward and make a request to AIBA and then be slightly lenient on her. Each personality responds differently to situations, and we just want the entire nation to be with Sarita Devi. Her career doesn't get jeopardized. Finding the right solution. That was the meeting, and Honorable Minister has shown a lot of support along with the Indian Boxing Federation. So hopefully we should be able to move forward in the right direction. And what is the assurance from the
All right, so that was Sachin Tendulkar assuring all help possible after meeting with the sports minister, who in turn said that India is standing by Sarita Devi. We still have her husband with us. Mr. Thoiba Singh is still on the line with us. Mr. Singh, have you been receiving a lot of support across India for Sarita's cause?
Yeah. We have been receiving lots of support all over India now. And
right.
Sachin sir's support is, I think, even after leaving the game he was playing cricket, I think he is doing a great service to the nation by supporting one of its the greatest sports persons, and who has been going through a bit of a turmoil for such a long time after this incident in Asian Games.
And
I
has
think,
Sachin personally had a word with you or your wife?
No, not yet. We would love to have a chat with him, but unfortunately, we have not been able to contact him.
Mr. Singh, what has Boxing India assured you?
Boxing India also fighting really well to save Sarita's career. Since she is one of the medal hopes for the country in the upcoming, Rio Olympics. We're just hoping that
Yes, and also we do know that the World Championships that Sarita will be missing if this ban is in place. So do tell us, is she still practicing? Is she still determined that she will finally be in the ring once again?
Right now, her determination has much stronger than before, because her expectations from the people, not only from boxing community, not only from boxing fraternity, is there, and she wants to show the world that her talent, her prowess in the ring, and do her best for the country, and make the cycler fly higher and higher.
Mr. Singh, thank you so much for speaking to us. Well, it is quite amazing how Sarita Devi is still so determined.